Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Make Him Love You. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification right there in the corner there. Yep. I'll give you a second. And now that you've hit that bell notification, we can continue. I hope you all are having a great day or night, wherever you are. In this video, we're going to be discussing tips on how to make a man happy. Now, good news for you is that in order to make a man happy, it doesn't require too much work, but like everything, it requires work. And like a car, you gotta keep up with the maintenance. So, the very first tip of the day, in order to keep or make your man happy, is show him affection. Okay? This can be, you can show him, it can be physical, it could be with words, it doesn't have to be physical, it could be with words. It's very, very possible. Not everything has to be physical. We're used to that, in society, that's all we see, but not everything has to be like that. Words are very, very powerful as well. Whether it's via text or talking on the phone, tell him how much you care about him every now and again. And you don't have to get that lovey-dovey. You don't have to get in your feelings. Just a simple little text. That's all. That's all you gotta do. That'll keep us happy. I'm letting you know that right now. How many texts you think we get saying, "Hey, I just want you to know I really appreciate you and all that you do"? Maybe from our mom. If that. Okay? So, it's very important that, you show that affection, whether it's physical or, emotional. Second thing you want to make sure you do to make and keep your man happy is you want to make sure you listen to what he says and make sure you apply what he says, right? A lot of times when you're talking to these men, and if you have a good man, he's gonna give you some advice, whether it could be the smallest little tiniest thing. It could be, "Hey babe, if I were you, I'd park on the left side, not the right, so you don't get a ticket." Because when we see that you listen to us, that means a lot. That means a lot. That just shows that at least somebody's supporting. At least somebody listens, right? It could be the simplest thing as that to all the way up to, giving you life advice, coaching advice, right? Just listen and apply. Now, obviously, in some cases, don't. If he's telling you, to do something that you don't think is right, then that's a whole nother video and a whole nother story. But listen and apply what he's telling you on the daily. It's called a relationship for a reason. You're supposed to be This is not just a, you two lovebirds. You're building. You're growing with that person. It's a relationship. Right? That's what it's about. Okay. The third tip is, this is a good one. To make and keep your man happy, make sure you're physically involved. This is not we're gonna keep it PG, but we're gonna keep it real. We're gonna keep it PG, but we're gonna keep it real. Right? Make sure you guys are, make sure y'all are physically getting down. At the end of the day, right? You can give all the advice, you can give all the emotional attention, you can send all the texts, you can do this, you can do that, you can give flowers. At the end of the day, everything has to align. Everything has to fit like a puzzle. And men like that. I'm just keeping it real on this channel. I'm not lying. I'm keeping it real. Right? You can be emotionally involved. You can show all the affection. But if you're not physically involved, come on. There's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time. And I'm not telling you guys to go twerking out here, to go, acting crazy, acting wild. I'm not saying that. I'm just telling y'all, make sure you have balance. You need that. That's what it's about. Everything has to come together. This is not the beta channel. This is make him love you. We keep it real here. You have to do all the above. You have to make it work. To make it work, you have to do all the above. So don't come back to me saying, "Oh, I don't think he's happy. He's having a rough day." You know what to do. You know what to do. Talk to him. Give him that little shoulder rub. Be there. That's all we ask for. Be there. That's it. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. It's just be there. Be present. Right? It's very important. Very, very, very important. If you follow these tips, you will 100% make your man happy. You will 100% make your man happy, and vice versa. If you follow these tips, you will 100% make your man happy, and vice versa. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I will be coming out with the Patreon pretty soon. That way you guys can get one-on-one attention with me and ask me one-on-one questions that I know you guys might have. I'll be doing Skype calls as well if you want to talk to me one-on-one for one-on-one advice. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. That way you get alerts every time I drop a video. I am the only YouTuber that I know that is uploading as much as I am, as frequently as I am. Giving you guys raw, uncut material that you can actually apply in your life. We don't deal with opinions here. We only deal with the facts. That's what I'm giving y'all, and you guys are awesome. Thank you, and enjoy your day.